a time, I thought that getting an education was out of my reach, until I realized that sometimes help comes when you least expect it.
That was 17-year-old Malik White, now a sixth form student at Camperdown High School. 4 years ago, he was not expected to graduate fifth form. Although one of the top GSAT students from Greenwich All Age, Malik struggled to make the transition to high school.
I entered high school with close to 90% average, and in grade 7 I was very far from that average. My poor performance was really due to my choice in friends. I chose those who could entertain me instead of those who would elevate me.
When I started teaching Malik in grade 8, he was very distracted, a little bit lazy, on the lazy side, and he was frequently absent from school.
Not only was Malik's poor performance drawing the attention of school administrators, he was also at risk of losing funding for his education, which was being provided through a scholarship from Petrojam.
I was at home one day in the summer, and my mother received a call from Mrs. Jagan from Petrojam. She said they're thinking about suspending my scholarship for a year, and if I didn't get my grades up, it would possibly be permanent.
Top boy for Greenwich is...
Since 2006, the Petrojam GSAT scholarship program has been fueling the success of outstanding students. The scholarship program provides funding for tuition, books, and other related expenses for the duration of the awardee's secondary school education.
The program came out of an effort by Petrojam staff to give back to the community of which we are a part. The primary objective of this scholarship program is to make future leaders of our students.
Since its inception, over 20 students from the Greenwich All Age and St. Andrew Primary Schools have been beneficiaries. The initiative provides assistance annually to the top performing boy and girl from each school. Petrojam has taken a multifaceted approach to ensure that these students thrive.
We want to ensure that our students remain on the program, so Petrojam offers the Homework Center program, where we have a trained teacher come in and sit with the students twice weekly. In addition to that, we provide mentors for our students, and these mentors are the staff volunteer their time to mentor the students.
The organization believed in Malik's potential and wanted to see him succeed. They stepped in when they saw that he was having difficulties making the grade.
It was more mandatory for me to attend the homework program, because for the entire grade 8 year, I didn't attend the homework class at all.
Malik was also matched with a mentor who could steer him in the right direction.
Neil Scott is, to say a mentor, he would be understated, and as such, I believe in more calling him a godsend.
I try to find out exactly what's going on with him, what's going on with the schoolwork, is he making the grade, if there is any lapse. You know, we try to see what we can do to ensure that that is resolved, so he can continue to do exactly what he wants to do.
I had to let go of some of my friends because they were not at all influencing me positively. I ensured that anything that I could do to possibly better my grades, keep my scholarship, maintain the average, I would have to do. Sacrifices had to be made, and I made them.
He started taking interest now in his work and in himself. Whenever he was going to be absent or from a class, he would let me know, and if he was absent, he would come and say, "Miss, what did we do yesterday, or what did we do at class?"
With his diligence and the support and guidance provided by Petrojam, Malik was able to retain his scholarship and in 2017 was named valedictorian of his graduating class. Petrojam is a true believer in helping young people to achieve their fullest potential, providing financial, educational, and emotional support to help dreams become reality.
The program really changed their lives. They are exposed to another side of life.
I would have never made it this far if not for the help of Petrojam. Honestly, I can say on behalf of all the recipients of this scholarship program, I believe now that I know how to adjust, improve, and question the world that I will enter. More than anything else, Petrojam has assured me that my future will be more vibrant than my present.
I would love to be the doctor that found the cure for breast cancer. And if it weren't for Petrojam, then I probably would not have realized this passion that I had for this specific occupation.